It's delicious.
That's good.
It's very good.
Welcome to another episode of WTF ITF. That is, what the f*** is in the fridge? I'm here with my great friend and neighbor, Alex.
Yes, hello, I'm Alex.
So, as you know, the premise of this show is you've come home, you're exhausted. What are you gonna make?
Exhausted, like, yes.
Yeah.
My brand.
You just got back home from work? Go.
Really?
Let's do it.
Let's do this.
Sourdough starter, sour cream, garlic
Lettuce.
tomatoes, green beans, broccoli, and then
2 eggs.
chicken, a Cornish game hen that I just bought.
Full chickens.
Yeah.
Half a lime.
Shiitake mushrooms, condiments and soy sauces and stuff. Homemade breads.
Yes.
Veggies, mixed veggies. And baby limas. So if we decide we want to go Asian-y, Latin America-y,
We can do this.
Lots of places to go. Different pastas. We have garlic that just fell on the floor. Onions, garlic, chipotle peppers in the middle, Greek pepperoncinis. This one's exciting.
I don't know why, but those lima beans are calling right now.
Let's get them out.
So I don't know what to do with them.
Me neither.
So I like it.
So you know what I normally do?
Tell me.
Get home from work. I have a glass of wine.
Yes.
Would you like a glass of wine?
1000%.
Done. It's almost like I came prepared.
Please.
Okay, it's not that cold. Ice cube.
Yes.
Great.
I'm not too proud of my
No, it's okay. Also, like, warm white wine. Lima beans is not something I've ever actually done as itself, ever.
I don't know why, I was thinking like with rice. I want cilantro.
Great.
In it.
Tomatoes. Do you put tomatoes in there?
Okay, we need to cheers.
Wait, let's
We need to
toast
cheers
this.
ASAP.
Great.
I need my first
Cheers.
sip.
Oh, yes. I also need my
Cheers.
first sip.
The lime, cilantro,
Great.
and
Love it.
tomato. Really good. And then we'll do a
Chicken breast. Done.
That feels like a little Latin America-ish to me.
Okay, we can do some cumin, coriander-y, garlic powder kind of stuff. Great.
Great.
Garlic powder. Here. Let's butterfly it, spice it up on a pan, super high heat.
It's great.
Great.
We gave ourselves 45 minutes, but I think we're gonna be done a lot sooner than that.
Great.
I think it's gonna be like, we're looking at like 25 minutes. How did you want to put the tomatoes in the rice?
I think diced up
Diced
in
up.
the rice. We can also cook the rice in homemade chicken broth.
That sounds awesome.
Do you cook every night at home?
Most nights, yeah.
Is Cody your husband?
My husband.
Is he home when you're cooking?
Yeah, we usually cook together in some way. 'Cause we're
Yeah,
doing
so
things.
do you and Cody talk while you're cooking?
Not often. Actually, we normally listen to a podcast.
95% of the time that I cook, I am by myself.
It's a solitary thing for you.
Yeah.
Because I actually do get a lot of joy out of cooking by myself. I mean, this is a very relaxed process.
Got it.
And there's something really beautiful about cooking and like prepping and like creating something.
What I just did was big chicken breast, right? It's thicker than you want it to be. It's gonna take forever to cook. It's not gonna cook evenly. I did 2 slits. I did one slit going this way, and then I did it that way, so it opens up like a book. And it's much thinner. It will cook in less time. By the time the outside is browned, the inside is cooked perfectly. So we got some cumin.
Wait, so you're putting together a little spice mix for us?
Yeah, exactly.
I love it.
We got
Cumin.
some garlic powder. So do you say cumin or cumin?
I say cumin, but I don't know if
Why
that's
are
right
you
or
a
not.
monster? So I'm gonna let this mixture just sort of sit on this chicken for a second. It smells delicious.
Since we're giving lessons, one thing that I love to do,
Oh, God, what?
this is very practical.
Yeah.
This is very practical. If you have a cutting board that moves around,
Oh, yeah,
put in like a wet paper towel underneath here.
Totally. Is that one moving around?
No.
Great, that's basically a cup.
That's a cut. That's
So-
statistically a cut.
I think browning that in some butter would be great.
On the stove. Or on.
Let's put it
Great.
on the stove.
Let's do it.
Because you want those sort of round, caramelized little notes to it. We should put a scallion.
with rice.
We could brown them with the corn.
With the corn. That's an excellent idea.
Like, that is exactly what this is about, right? It's the lima beans that inspired this whole thing.
Yes.
And you ended up not even it up. And so do you still want to use lima beans? Sure.
Oh, this is fun now. Also, a very important part of cooking for yourself at home is Instagramming things. Follow me on Instagram at Alex Lawrence, ALEX, LAWRENS. I took the vegetables off the heat so they could just sit there. Oh my god, look at that beautiful meat. By the time the chicken rests, the rice will be done. Great. Beautiful.
Here's the chicken. It's like golden brown and delicious. Yeah. Also, it smells really good.
It's smelling amazing. What dishes are we gonna use? Just regular plates?
It's a weeknight.
It's a weeknight dinner.
Do you have any idea how high the nice dishes are? Like, I'm not gonna reach for that.
You're not gonna
That's
do it.
terrible. So before eating, before plating, if you feel like it does visually make a big difference.
Mm-hmm.
Slicing it at a slight bias across the grain
will like literally make anything you do look that much better.
Mm-hmm.
Like it'll just make it feel like if you're cutting carrots, do not just like slice them.
Right.
Like cut them on an angle, and instantly everything will look that much more interesting.
And if you have a sauce, you can then pour it over the slices and it gets in between and it gets all nice. We had no plan when we started this.
None.
And this is dinner on the table. The chicken took less than 10 minutes to cook on the stove. The rice took 10 to 15 minutes.
Yeah.
The vegetables took less than 10 minutes.
We diced some tomato, we diced some cilantro, squeezed a few limes. It was easy.
Okay, let's eat something. The lime juice is nice.
This was fun. I'm glad to share this with you. Lime juice and rice, right? This is
Super
your
good.
thing.
Yeah, super good. I'm gonna do it all the time now. This shows you don't have to like look at a recipe and go shop for that recipe. And when people talk about, oh, my mom used to cook when I was growing up, this is the she did.
Absolutely what she was doing.
Like this is,
totally.
if you can play the game, what's in the fridge and what can I make with it? What do I have in the house and what can I make with it? That is cooking. Thanks so much for joining us on this journey. Tune in again for another episode of WTF ITF.